Good morning, guys.
Morning.
November 29, 2017. And they're leaving. Going on a cruise.
We'll be sailing, or surfing. No, we won't be surfing. We'll
Not
be
surfing.
surfing, no.
I guess you just won't see this until they get back.
That's right. I'm gonna go to my cruise.
Making an omelet. Food. That's right, guys. The parents are going on a cruise, and I didn't post these when they left because then the whole world basically would know that my sister and I are alone in this house. So that's just stupid. So I'm sure most of you, all of you, are pretty nice people, but just in case, I still want to vlog and stuff. Rachel was like, just don't vlog at all, and I was like, well, that's lame. Just won't post anything. There's that. I gotta go to a staff meeting here soon. Ugh. You'll be fine worrying about trains and stuff. This is early. Why? Okay, goodbye. That's, yep. What was that, Rachel? Is there a reason for this? What was that? I need to get Mom another kiss. Okay, we put the car in the garage and it barely fits. So Rachel's gonna freak out if it starts to hit the car. Ready?
Can you do this? I'm scared.
What? We did it! So I just cleaned my room and my desk. We're about to get ready to leave. We're gonna go meet one of my friends, Faith, and then picking up Carissa, and we're all going to like a nature hike thing. And I can't decide if I want some tea, but I think I do, but then I'm worried about I'll have to pee all the time. How much do I want tea? I'm just gonna do it. Okay, starting over. Okay. This is Faith. She can wait. Okay. That's what we're putting in.
Wait, is this the same incident where you climbed that tree last time we were here and I had to leave you so you get down?
Oh my gosh, yes. Well, that's really tall though.
It was not! I had to start walking because she wouldn't get down.
It looks taller than it actually was.
Is this that he has not seen?
Hey. Buffy, where are you?
Did you get off her? Just gonna follow around the whole thing?
This is like a national treasure moment. I think I just said that, but I'm gonna say it again.
Hey guys, so we had a lot of fun at the Dawes place we were at today. And I dropped Rachel off. We sped home, fed the dogs, got the new dogs out and everything. I made myself dinner. I took Carissa to her guitar lesson. Rachel and I went there to the church. I ate dinner there. Rachel left with Carissa to go home and eat dinner with them. And now I'm about to go to work. So, gotta go do a work thing now. So yeah, see ya. And I know you're no good for me. Yeah, I know what I know. And I know it's not meant to be. Here's my dilemma. One half of me wants ya, and the other half just wants to forget. My dilemma is I'm done as I met ya. I had chicken wings and yogurt. Rachel had a donut. We're watching Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. and then we're gonna go to bed. We're gonna be happy and we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
sometime. Bye.